Welcome. Discover legitimate work from home jobs, side hustles, and online earning opportunities. Subscribe and start earning from home.
So, hi guys! For today's video ay pag-uusapan natin itong mga micro-tasks na platform na pwede kayong kumita even ikaw ay isang estudyante or ikaw ay isang full-time mom is pwede kang kumita dito by earning extra money. So, first is pag-uusapan natin ito si Clickworker. So, dito sa Clickworker guys, is a global crowdsourcing platform that pays online freelancers to complete digital micro tasks like data entry, AI training, surveys, and content categorization. It serves as flexible remote side hustle, uh, though it is not a replacement for full-time employment. So this is not a replacement for full-time employment. So you can click sign up, register for free on the official Clickworker platform or download their mobile app. So meron silang mobile app. Sa mobile app, madali mong ma-access ang kanilang um, ang mga tasks na available. So kahit saan ka is magno-notify sila, even dala-dala mo yung cellphone mo, kung nasa labas ka, and you can do it uh, through your phone. So hindi mo na kailangan magdala pa ng laptop para gumawa ng task nila. So unang-una is assessment, complete mandatory language and skill test to unlock specific micro tasks. So meron silang mandatory language and skill tests para ma-unlock yung specific micro tasks. And tasks perform AI training, text creation, web research, audio or video recording, and data labeling. So UHRS integration, gain access to external search engine, evaluation tasks via UHRS partners for extra earning potential, payout cash out earning through supported option like PayPal once you reach the minimum balance threshold. So user consensus and concern. So agree that Clickworker is a legitimate paying platform, but note that income varies greatly and tasks can be inconsistent. So this is based from Reddit, and there is a consensus on Reddit work online regarding privacy concern over certain high-paying AI training tasks that request sensitive data like ID photo, facial scans, and biometric sample. Opinion are mixed on Reddit work online concerning account suspension and payment processing delays, which often require careful verification of link payment handles like a PayPal. So if you're thinking about using the platform, are you looking for mobile-friendly tasks, PC-based work? Do you want help? So binasa ko na lang, 'di ba? So meron silang website, guys, pero mas maganda talaga na ida-download mo rin siya through your mobile application. Yan. So ito, www.clickworker.com. We offer various data services, surveys, store check, tagging, list building, more. So earn money online with microjob as Clickworker. So click natin ito, but we will not open the site kasi meron silang data privacy. Yan nga. So you can log in and register. Click login and then I click register and then you can log in. So ayan, data services by Clickworker. All data services at a glance, AI training data services, survey services, in product categorization, color tagging, yun yung mga work mo dito. Ito yung mga task na dapat mong color tagging, feedback analysis, sentiment analysis, and then meron din silang app testing, website testing, game testing, search relevance. So, SEO, copywriting, website traffic boost. So, ayan, madami silang ano dito, data collection, data processing and preparation, data annotation and labeling, data validation and enrichment. So, yun, you can earn now as a click worker. You can work now as a click worker. And then next is micro tasks. So you can this is microtask is a platform where individuals can earn money completing small online tasks. Um, so click natin. Okay. So pasensya na medyo mabagal yung ating data, no, na ating wifi rather. So medyo matagal nga siya, hindi ko ma-open agad. Pero siguro ganito to. Ganito lang talaga ito. So balik tayo. So dito ko na lang siya babasahin ha. So kung ikaw ay may wifi na um, malakas ang signal, so ikaw na yung mag-research. Ito lang yung babasahin ko na lang. So, Microtest was a Finnish technology company founded by Bill Mittinen. Sorry, napakahirap naman ng pangalan nila. Harry Halof uh, Feinen. So this will not, ano na lang, basahin na lang natin yung ano, kasi baka maano tayo dito. So, Microtest provides a flat rate e-commerce marketing agency. Singapore for all the on-demand marketing tasks. So, it's a micro job board gig that allows you to complete small tasks. Ito, baka dito ma-open na natin. Ito, ito yung ano nila ha. Okay, micro job board and gig jobs website. Microtask is a micro job board and gig job site that allows you to complete small tasks and earn money from anywhere in the world. So you can join our job, and then online micro job and gig job website. Micro job are small job that individual can earn money by completing. Those jobs are called micro jobs. These jobs may include household helper, delivery cab driver, personal assistant, uh, freelance gigs, pet setter, customer support officer, and many others. Microjob sites, on other hand, primarily provide smaller pieces of a much larger project to their users, who must complete it within the limit and get compensated well. It is possible to make a decent living by doing little job on your own. So, kahit na maliit lang yung ano, kasi microtask lang. Pero kung masipag ka, siguro madami kang task na nagagawa, siguro makaka-earn ka talaga dito ng medyo malaki. So, benefits micro job gig. So, advantage is that there are no specific days for any of the tasks. You may pick a new job to accomplish on the same day, in the same hour, and without an appointment, allowing to greater adaptability. You are only limited by your imagination. Make it whenever it's convenient for you. So, nasa sa iyo kung anong oras mo gagawin yung task or tatapusin. You may work from anywhere. So, kahit saan sa planetang ito, pwede mo siyang gawin kahit nasa labas ka ng bahay, nasa restaurant ka, basta as long as mayroon siyang internet connection and charger, as well as electricity and plug. So let's research the income. So please is click worker income. So let's okay. On average, most users earn between $3 and $10 per hour on Clickworker, though rates vary widely depending on your location. So depends sa location, task type, and whether you qualify for a high-tier project. It is flexible microtask platform intended for supplemental bare money rather than a full-time income. So yun lang, the standard microtask 0.01 cent or 0.50 cent per task. Simple job like data categorization, image tagging, text verification, and they only take seconds to complete but pay vary. So, maliit lang siya pero siguro ganun nga kung masipag ka, micro task, micro task job income. So, the microtask income mode is typically ranging from $50 to $300 per month for casual work. So this is for all the micro task job. Siguro ito yung kikitain mo per month. So depende talaga kung ilang task yung um, yung matatapos mo. So monthly total, if you work a few hours a day across multiple um, platform, data AI training, Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, and Appen after labeling. So ito yung mga data yung mga website na meron silang mga microtasks. Ito ay ang Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, and Appen offer labeling, labeling, tagging, and evaluation, survey research, and simple gigs. So yun lang ang ating um, share ngayon. So, I hope na nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, and please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel for more earning like this. So, kung ikaw ay mom or student, so you can earn money by doing tasks. So, see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.